Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss about top 10 biotech companies in the world. And I have made a video by highlighting some features like companies by larger size, for example having more employees, and companies bigger by market capitalization and who are best for biotech jobs. There is a huge scope of argument and you cannot be agree with me at all the time, but I am sure you will find the video useful if you have interest in biotech and biotech jobs especially. So let's do it. Top 10 biotech companies in the world. Largest, biggest and best work. Some of you may have questions like what biotechnology actually is. The answer is given by the founder of Apple, Steve Jobs. He said, "I think the biggest innovations of the 21st century will be at the intersection of biology and biotechnology." So this is the answer. Intersection of biology and technology means biotechnology. That's why biotechnology is the next superstar. And here is the list. You may wonder why J&J, Roche, Pfizer are not in the list. This is because this video is not top 10 pharmaceutical companies in the world. It's about top 10 biotech companies in the world. So it's about biotech companies and companies who only works for biotechnology or their main point is biotechnology. And Novo Nordisk is the best. Here you go. Number 10th position is being held by Regeneron Pharmaceuticals. Regeneron Pharmaceuticals is a biotechnology company with its headquarters in New York. This company was founded by Leonard Schleifer, a neurologist from Cornell University in 1988, and a few more experts joined this company in the following year. The major focus in the earlier days was on the neurotrophic factors that its regenerative capabilities. Number 9. Vertex Pharmaceuticals. Biopharmaceutical company Vertex focuses on creating and marketing drug treatments for patients suffering from cancer, cystic fibrosis, autoimmune diseases, and neurological disorders, among others. It has a market capitalization of $70.94 billion till 26th August 2020. The number 8 is coming up. It's Biogen. Biogen was founded in 1978 in Geneva by several prominent biologists, including Kenneth Murray of the University of Edinburgh, Philip Allen Sharp of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Walter Gilbert of Harvard, Heinz Schaller, University of Heidelberg, and Charles Wiseman, University of Zurich. Gilbert and Sharp were subsequently honored with Nobel Prizes. Gilbert was recognized in 1980 and Sharp in 1993. Number 7 is Jiangsu Hengrui Medicine. Jiangsu Hengrui Medicine Company Limited, also known as Jiangsu Hengrui Medicine, is a Chinese pharmaceutical company which engaged in the research, development, manufacturing, and sales of healthcare products including antineoplastic drugs, angiomyocardiac drugs, drugs for surgery, contrast agents, and antibiotics. It is also the largest listed pharmaceutical company in China. It was listed on Shanghai Stock Exchange in 2000. Number 6 is Allergan. Allergan plc is an Irish domiciled pharmaceutical company that acquires, develops, manufactures, and markets brand name drugs and medical devices in the areas of medical aesthetics, eye care, central nervous system, and gastroenterology. The company is the maker of Botox. Allergan is the subsidiary of Abvai Inc. It has the market capitalization of $62.08 billion. Number 5 is Celgene. Celgene Corporation, incorporated in Delaware and headquartered in Summit, New Jersey, discovers, develops, and commercializes medicines for cancer and inflammatory disorders. The company's major product is Revlimid, in combination with dexamethasone for the treatment of multiple myeloma patients. Celgene develops several products within several areas of research: MDS, AML, lymphoma, CLL, beta thalassemia, myelofibrosis, and solid tumors, etc. Number 4 is Gilead Sciences. Gilead Sciences Inc. is an American biopharmaceutical company headquartered in Foster City, California that researches, develops, and commercializes drugs. The company focuses primarily on antiviral drugs used in the treatment of HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and influenza, including Harvoni and Sovaldi. It has marketed a lot of products like Ambisome, Atripla, Biktarvy, Complera, Keystone, Descovy, Emtriva, etc. That is the top 3. Number 3 is CSL Limited. CSL Limited is a global specialty biotechnology company that researches, develops, manufactures, and markets products to treat and prevent serious human medical conditions. CSL's product areas include blood plasma derivatives, vaccines, antivenom, and cell culture reagents used in various medical and genetic research and manufacturing applications. CSL was founded in 1916 as the Commonwealth Serum Laboratories. They produced insulin. Amgen is holding the second position. Amgen Inc., formerly Applied Molecular Genetics Inc., is an American multinational biopharmaceutical company headquartered in Thousand Oaks, California. It is one of the world's largest independent biotechnology companies. Amgen is focused on molecular biology and biochemistry. Its goal is to provide a healthcare business based on recombinant DNA technology. And the number 1 is here. It's Novo Nordisk. Novo Nordisk is a multinational biotech company headquartered in Denmark with production facilities in 7 countries and affiliates or offices in 80 countries in the world. The company's primary focus is diabetes care, hemophilia care, growth hormone therapy, and hormone replacement therapy. It has $156.5 billion Markin dollar of market capitalization. That's all for today. I hope to see you soon.
Hello everyone.